Have you ever wondered how India's iconic cricket jersey is manufactured with world-class precision? Everything begins with digital artists designing logos, player names, sponsors, and vibrant jersey layouts. Every color, stripe, and logo is carefully adjusted before receiving final production approval.
Factories select premium recycled polyester fabrics, engineered for breathability, durability, and athletic comfort. Technicians verify fabric weight between 150 and 180 GSM standards. Next, the complete jersey design is printed onto special sublimation transfer paper in reverse. Special dye inks prepare every graphic for permanent bonding during the heat transfer process. The printed paper is carefully positioned over polyester fabric before entering massive heat press machines. Inside the press, temperatures reach around 200 degrees Celsius for perfect color transfer. Operators inspect every printed roll to ensure flawless colors and perfect design alignment throughout. Computer-guided cam cutting machine precisely shape every front, back, sleeve, and collar panel with accuracy. Each component is organized into standard sizes before moving to the stitching department carefully. Experienced operators expertly assemble every jersey using advanced industrial sewing machines with exceptional precision. Flat lock seams reduce friction, helping professional athletes perform comfortably during intense matches every time. Collars, sleeves, and side panels are attached with remarkable consistency and production speed daily. Official badges, branding, and finishing details give every jersey its premium professional appearance today. Every finished jersey enters strict quality inspection before receiving final factory approval for shipment. Measurements are checked carefully to guarantee perfect sizing consistency across every production batch manufactured. Strength tests confirm every jersey withstands stretching, pulling, and demanding athletic performance without damage. Abrasion testing ensures fabrics remain durable after repeated dives across rough cricket outfield surfaces. Wash tests verify vibrant team colors stay bright even after countless cleaning cycles over time. Loose threads are removed carefully, leaving every jersey looking perfectly clean and professionally finished. Steam pressing removes wrinkles and gives every jersey a crisp, retail-ready appearance instantly. Product labels, player details, and size information are added before careful folding begins immediately. Automated packaging protects every jersey during transportation to stores and professional cricket teams worldwide. Thousands of finished jerseys leave the factory, ready for athletes and passionate cricket supporters everywhere. From digital design to final packaging, that's how India's legendary cricket jerseys come to life.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.